Hi, this is David from Smart World. This is a video to show you how easy to install the new Picasso device to install in a Kia Sorento 2020. So this car has Apple CarPlay, and we're going to install the device and watch some movies on Netflix or video YouTubes. So it's very easy and simple. You just simply have the device here. This is the Picasso, and you just install the USB on the USB port here, and just wait a couple of seconds here for the product to be recognized by the car. It's just showing that the product is being recognized, and you will see on the screen you don't have to touch anything really. This is reading USB device, and then it starts saying hello on different languages, and that's it. As soon as it's ready, here we go. The product is ready. CarPlay Touch Portable. So for your drive safety, please do not watch this video while driving. For example, if you want to watch Netflix, simply go into Netflix. And you will see Netflix coming up there on your Kia Sorento screen, and a very high good quality video. From there you can just simply select the movie you want as you were in front of your mobile phone or at home, and watch your movies on your car. There we go. It's coming soon. The internet connection here is not that good, so probably that's the area where I am. So the internet of this device comes from the mobile. So before this, I pair this device with my mobile phone via hotspot. Here's it. If you want to watch something, let's say I want to watch one of these shows, Blacklist, just click on there, and here it is. Just click play, and the video will start soon. So here's the menu, the menu of the product. If you click this one, you go to the main menu. If you want to watch a YouTube video, for example, just click on YouTube. The YouTube screen is going to come up. You can do search or watch any YouTube channel. Let's watch one of these ones, my kid's favorite. This is that. Alrighty, so it's really a plug-and-play product. If you like that, as you can see, it's fully compatible with Kia Sorento 2020 and previous models as well with CarPlay. Just simply, for more information, go to www.smartworldcompany.com. Thank you.